Finally, all meals must end with loud and smelly belch like this.
I got this. Check it.
Could be stinkier, but not bad. Round Duck, you try.
Okay, but I'm a little shy about belching in front of others.